Welcome back to our channel. In today's captivating video, we will delve into the extraordinary advantages of incorporating fennel seeds into your daily dietary regimen. Fennel seeds, renowned for their medicinal attributes and distinctive flavor, have been revered for centuries. Stay tuned to unravel the profound impact that consuming fennel seeds on a daily basis can have on your physique. But prior to embarking on this enlightening journey, we kindly request you to click the subscribe button and enable notifications, ensuring that you never miss any of our invaluable health-related content. At Health Heroes, our fervor lies in disseminating natural remedies for enhanced well-being and optimal health. In this thought-provoking video, we will delve deeply into the myriad health benefits associated with fennel seeds. So, without further ado, let's commence. Have you ever pondered upon the potential transformative effects of integrating fennel seeds into your daily routine? Fennel seeds, tiny and oval-shaped, originate from the fennel plant native to the Mediterranean region. Exhibiting a distinctively invigorating and subtly sweet taste, they prove to be a versatile addition to an array of delectable dishes and beverages. Within the confines of this visual masterpiece, we shall explore the astonishing health benefits offered by fennel seeds, elucidating why their inclusion in your daily diet is highly advisable. From facilitating digestion and fostering weight loss, to enhancing ocular well-being and fortifying the immune system, fennel seeds encompass a wide spectrum of favorable effects on the human body. Undoubtedly, one of the most renowned merits of fennel seeds lies in their digestion-assisting properties. Enriched with anethole, a compound that relaxes the muscles within the digestive tract, these seeds effectively alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion. Consumption of fennel seeds post-meal can grant respite from discomfort and promote seamless digestion. For individuals striving to shed those stubborn extra pounds, fennel seeds might just become their new ally. These minuscule wonders boast low caloric content and a high concentration of dietary fiber, instilling a prolonged sense of satiety. Furthermore, their diuretic qualities enable the elimination of superfluous water weight. By incorporating fennel seeds into your weight loss journey, you can nourish a healthier metabolism and inch closer to your desired goals. Did you have any inkling of the nutrient-rich composition of fennel seeds that contributes to ocular wellness? Replete with antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and beta-carotene, fennel seeds provide protection against oxidative stress and age-related macular degeneration, thus fostering healthy vision and diminishing the likelihood of ocular ailments. Elevating your immune system to peak performance constitutes a pivotal factor in overall well-being, and here fennel seeds come to the fore. Packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, they fortify the body's defense mechanism, effectively combating harmful bacteria and viruses. By seamlessly incorporating fennel seeds into your daily regimen, you can empower your immune system and safeguard against common illnesses. In addition to the aforementioned benefits, fennel seeds harbor a plethora of other positive effects on the human body. These exceptional seeds regulate blood pressure, alleviate inflammation, mitigate menstrual cramps, refresh breath, and even nurture lustrous hair and radiant skin. Given the versatility that fennel seeds embody, they undeniably emerge as a remarkable addition to your pantry, serving both culinary and health purposes. And there you have it, the extraordinary advantages bestowed upon those who embrace fennel seeds within their daily routine. From facilitating digestion and promoting weight loss to supporting ocular health and invigorating the immune system, fennel seeds undeniably reign as a veritable source of well-being. Please remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any substantial alterations to your dietary habits. If you found this enlightening video informative, we kindly request you to express your appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button and sharing it with your esteemed companions. Moreover, don't miss out on the opportunity to subscribe to our channel, guaranteeing a continuous influx of invaluable health-related content. We express our heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.